Hi guys, so let's do another quick video just to give you another one interview tips. And it is about when someone or the interviewer asks you, what are your plans 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Wag na wag kang sasagot na magbe-business po ako, bala ko po magtayo ng business, mag-abroad or anything. That's a big no. Okay? Lalabas kasi is wala kang like commitment na magtagal sa company, and it is one of the biggest red flag sa mga candidates na ayaw talaga ng mga recruiters. So when they ask you what are your plans 5 years or 10 years from now, lagi mo lang ibida na I think from 5 years from now, nakikita ko yung sarili ko na andito pa rin sa company, but with a bigger responsibility na, or like a highest position na. So I am aiming for growth. I am aiming for promotion in this company, and I plan to work as long as I can. And that shows your commitment, and malalaman ni recruiters na ikaw yung type of employee na magtatagal talaga sa isang company. Yun lang.